Okay. Clean this bottom. All that fuzz that's there in that line, take it out. Wash it down like that. And we're gold. It is under the gasket, about 1/8 inch. Distribution is good, so it's all great. Gotta go ahead and do this. Go to the bottom. There. Good. Can use our heat gun to dry it on the inside. And for the guys that just heard me about heat gun on the inside, do not try it, because I've had way too many people frying panels for no reason. But when you get experience, then you can go ahead and do it, and you'll be very successful without burning it. Okay. Even in the corner, all perfect. Extremely clean. It is a no-touch film, mobile job kind of, without a peel board. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.